So many real estate agents out there today are getting overwhelmed by what to post on social media. What content should they create? What trends should they keep up with? And it's understandable. It's not explained in an easy way. There's so much strategy to keep up with, so many courses out there that literally complicate this process. And what happens is the agent gets so overwhelmed that they're either just posting to post or they just don't post at all. So if you find yourself in this situation, then you're going to want to watch this video today, because I'm going to show you 3 easy strategies that you can implement today for little to no cost or free that will grow your following, generate leads for you, and turn those leads into clients and those clients into closed deals. So if you want to learn more and want to learn how to simplify social media, then let's dive in. Hey everybody, it's me, Jacob Shireman, your real estate marketing expert. Have over 15 years of marketing experience specializing in web design and SEO, and I take that experience to help you grow your real estate business. So if you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release new content and training. And if you'd like to get access to my training, my resources, and my courses for free, take a look at partnering with me at eXp Realty inside the Wolfpack. And there's a link below where you can book a one-on-one call with me to learn more. So let's dive into today's topic. All right, so today I'm going to give you 3 easy strategies that you can implement starting today to grow your social media following, to get more leads and turn those leads into clients and close deals. And you know, if you're here watching this, you're probably frustrated. You probably don't know what to post. And this is understandable. There's so much noise out there on the best social media tactics. There's all these so-called gurus, overnight successes that are trying to tell everybody what they did. What people don't realize is that worked for them because of their niche, because of the market they're in, that it might not necessarily work for everybody. And they quickly want to turn it into a course to make money. And you know, there's so many courses out there. People are spending thousands of dollars and they're learning how to properly use Facebook, you know, and YouTube and Twitter and Instagram. But the problem is they still are left with the same problem. What the heck do I post? And more importantly, what posts are actually going to get me interaction? What's going to get me followers and leads? And another misconception out there is that you have to have a huge following to be able to generate leads. You actually don't. I have agents who have 800 to 1,200 followers on their profiles, and they're getting consistent leads from that. It's about the quality of the followers that you have. Are you actually reaching your target audience that's going to interact with your client, your content, and actually use you as an agent and become a client? So I'm going to share 3 easy strategies that I want you to focus on that will grow your following pretty quickly and give you actually quality people and be able to reach that target audience. So let's take a look at the first one. So the first strategy we have is doing giveaways. Now, this will cost you a little bit. You can start small. You don't have to go big, but giveaways are always a great way to use that multiplier effect. And I'll give you some strategies with how to properly use giveaways. Giveaways are a great way, one, to network with local businesses. So if you're gonna go buy a couple gift cards from a coffee shop, let's say a $25 gift card from each one, or even start with a $10 one. It doesn't have to be a huge prize. People just like getting free stuff. And you know, you can network with that local business and they're going to promote that giveaway as well, because they want those people to come in to use that gift card and spend even more money in that store. So one of the ways that you can do this is, again, with that multiplier effect. So let's say that we got a $25 gift card for a coffee shop that's local. Make sure you use local mom and pop places. Don't use chains, because you want to promote local business. Go in there, write your post, and do this every week. Maybe you have a $100 budget, okay? Or maybe even 50. Whatever that is, divide that into the 4 weeks in the month, and every Monday do, you know, a giveaway on Monday or a giveaway Tuesday, whatever day you want to do it, but do it consistently, because people are going to keep coming back to see what you're giving away this week. And if you want to go do a $25 gift card at a coffee shop, and a restaurant, and a donut shop, whatever it is, give it some variety, and that would get people engaged. And then when you post that giveaway, you're going to obviously put your graphic and say that you're doing a giveaway, and then you're going to put your caption, describe what you're giving away, and then put in the contest rules, put in, what is the gift card amount, how do they enter? And so some of the ways that you want to enter is, one, they need to like let's say you're doing Instagram and Facebook, they must follow you and go like another account. So maybe they go like your Facebook page if you're doing this on Instagram. And then after they like your page, they must like the post. And then on top of that, they need to, in the comments, tag 3 people. So this is where that multiplier effect comes in, because now they've tagged 3 people and then you tag 3 people. This happens all the time with my spouse. They'll tag us in a giveaway locally and then I'm tagged. So then I'll go through and tag 3 other people. And between the 2 of us, we have 6 people that are in there, right? And on top of that, we've followed and liked those pages because that's a part of the contest rules. So make sure you have that in there. That's truly crucial that you have that whole add 3 people, make sure you like and follow, because you're going to see your numbers go up. Once you have that, make sure you have the rules that, when's the last time they can enter, and then when are you actually doing the giveaway, and how will you announce that giveaway and give them their prize. And then tag the local business as well that you're doing this giveaway, because that magic of when you tag them, especially on Instagram, it's going to notify them in their messages that you tag them, and they can get that beautiful blue button that says add to story. And that's what you want, so it gets in front of their audience as well. But if you do this on a regular basis, you can start with a small budget and grow it bigger, or even ask the businesses to say, hey, I'm going to do a giveaway with you once a month. Is there any way that you can give a little more? And as you start to grow and get popular, you might start to get free gift cards. So giveaways are a huge way to do that. If you want more strategy on giveaways, I did a previous video on using kvCORE. You can log in there, go into their content depot and get giveaway templates. You can also get them on Canva as well. But if you want more strategy like this and want it simple, I highly recommend you use something like kvCORE to help you with your social media strategy. All right, strategy number 2 is to promote local. Again, there's more to real estate than selling houses. Promote your local community. There's so much you can do to create engagement. I saw a realtor in our brokerage here at eXp who is a newly licensed agent, literally was in the business 30 days and already has 3 deals in the works. And I think within the first 60 days, he had already completed and closed those deals. And the way he did it was, before he got his license, he built a Facebook page where he literally just promoted local restaurants and things to do in the Houston area. And that page got over 40,000 likes. So the moment he got into real estate, put that on his page, he instantly got people reaching out to him because they already liked his content. And the way he did that was promoting local. If you promote local, people are going to know you. They're going to come back to you because you're providing value. You're showing them what it is in the area. So you can cover local restaurants, new openings of things. You can do community tours. We have an area here called Katy Asian Town, and people love to go over there because of all the shops, the food, the stores there. So you could go tour that whole place and tag those stores that you featured in that video or any of that content. Another great way is to find those quirky holidays and take those holidays and promote them. So like National Chocolate Chip Cookie Day, International Beer Day, you can promote a local bakery, then a local brewery, and tag those places where you recommend that they go celebrate to get a great beer or a great cookie or a donut or a taco, or whatever that holiday is. Local animal shelters, there's so many holidays out there. There is one every day for that. So use that to recommend to people. So that way, when those businesses are sharing your content, or that park or that event is sharing your content, they will add that back to their story. And now you're getting in front of an audience that you had never gotten in front of before. So promote everything you can local. Again, events, things to do, parks, restaurants, local businesses. Really show them that you know your community and that you are the go-to source for everything real estate in that community. All right, tip number 3, our last easy tip, and that is to be a part of Facebook groups and online forums. This is a great way to get in front of a large group of people and actually provide value. Of all the content, all the comments you make, anything you do, don't annoy people with salesy pitch. You don't have to put, hey, you want to buy, sell a home? People know that you're a realtor. They know what realtors do. Provide value and people will naturally reach out to you because they're going to feel like they can trust you, and that builds a rapport with them. So you can join Facebook groups. Maybe you can find like a mom and me group or a local community group or things like that, and post. Like if you put out a great blog article about things to do, hey, go check out these areas, or comment, hey, I just saw a local great taco shop we went to. Check out my reel or my TikTok or my YouTube video. You can post those kinds of things in there, but make sure it's providing value to that group as well. And you're not just selling, because a lot of them will have things about sales, but if you're providing value about things to do, people are going to naturally see your profile, they're going to see your website, and they're going to know that you're a realtor. Also, online forums are a great place to go through and read people's questions. There's plenty of real estate questions out there, things people need help with. You can go through comments and just comment the answer to somebody to help them. And they're naturally, every time somebody responds, I always go click their profile, stalk them a little bit, to see who they are they a real account, and whatnot. So you can literally respond to people's questions and really kind of provide value and start networking with them that way. You can also start your own Facebook group. Create a group about, events in your area, things to do, and you can admin that group, provide value, and then you can control the advertising that goes on in that group and let people know that you're a realtor that's providing everything you know about the local community, and you're wanting to provide that knowledge and that resource to them for free, and people will naturally reach out to you. So I hope this info was helpful. I know it sounds super easy and you're probably thinking, oh, that's probably not going to work, but it really is that simple. People overcomplicate things all the time, especially real estate agents for some reason. So don't become a part of that NAR statistic that 87% of real estate agents literally quit within the first 5 years of their career. Pick one of these strategies and stick to it. Whether you think it's working or not, give it some time to work. And I'm not talking a week or two. I'm talking, minimum 90 days that you're focused, you're using that strategy, you're keeping things simple, you're providing value and your experience and your take on things, because that's what's important. Make it about you, add your flair and your flavor to it. And if you really want social media really easy for you and on autopilot, I highly recommend something like kvCORE. It's a subscription that you can get access to daily content, daily strategy, editable templates, optimized hashtags for literally less than $1.68 a day. And then if you want them to do the content for you, you can actually pay them for as little as $400 a month, pay them to do the content for you. So use those resources. I hope this was helpful. If you want to get access to something like kvCORE for free and all my other courses and trainings, click that link below to book a call with me. It's a no pressure call. I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing differently here and how I have new agents within the first 6 months closing 6 and 7 deals, brand new agents with no marketing budget, just all on social media, using our resources that we teach here inside of our group. So book that call below. And then if you want more content like this and want to stay up to date on all things real estate marketing, then hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.